Hi there, this is Taylor from Backwood Boys Small Engines. Filming my first video here today. It's pretty nice out today. Feels like spring maybe might be kicking in now. It's a very nice day out. We do have some lingering snow. We just got this 2 nights ago, I believe. This is the second time that did this winter. Kind of holding me up on starting some of my projects I'd like to do. I'd like to show you something I'm going to work on. It's a project I'm going to start on here as soon as the weather breaks. I'm waiting for spring. I don't work on anything in the cold. The shop you might have seen in the background, that's not my garage, unfortunately, so I can't really work out of there. It's actually my landlord's garage. So I gotta work outside, on the porch, anywhere I can get done, work on a project. So here's one of my first projects I'm gonna start on for this spring. I picked the I picked this up last summer. A guy had it, he lives just maybe a mile down the road from me, and I seen it setting out, and didn't look like anybody was ever using it. So I seen him out cutting his grass one day, and I decided to stop by, and I talked to him about it. And he had bought a newer model push mower, so he was just letting this one set. He was actually going to take it to the junk. I don't know if you've ever heard of this. Anybody has ever heard of this? It's actually made by Kmart. It's the first I ever seen one. It has a Briggs & Stratton engine on it. I plan on restoring this. This is the project I was talking about. I plan on restoring this. I'd like to repaint it. I wish I could find a company that you could like recreate the stickers for this, because I'd like to bring it all back, as close to original as possible. But I'll have to do my best at that. I got some paint picked out pretty close to the color that I believe this was. It's pretty rusted up, as you can see. But when I did get it, the motor does run well. I am going to do some tuning up on that as well whenever I start doing this as my project this spring when it gets nice out. But it should be a nice little project for me this summer. And I have some other equipment too that I'm going to work on. I have some mowers that are stored up in I have a shed. It's a little way up the driveway there. We're not going to go there today, but we'll definitely be going up there so I can show you around what I got and things. But that's all I got for today. Thank you for watching my first video here. I hope I did okay. I'm sorry, I plan on uploading more videos. I will be getting more videos uploaded as the weather gets nicer. I tinker around with small engines and different power equipment all the time, and I plan on uploading a lot more videos to go, for my channel. But for all those watching, thank you for checking out my channel here at Backwood Boys Small Engine. Thank you.